Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we will talk about low maintenance hairstyles for older women. If you are looking for a haircut that are easy, stylish and beautiful, then this video is just for you. Today we will talk about stylish low maintenance haircuts ideas for older women. These hairstyles save time, are simple to style and help you look fresh and confident every day. Let's get started. As we get older, our hair often becomes thinner, drier or softer than before. Because of this, many women want a haircut that looks good without spending a lot of time in front of the mirror. The good news is that there are many stylish options that are both stylish, beautiful and practical. One of the most popular choices is a classic pixie cut. This haircut is short, neat and very easy to manage. It dries quickly after washing and only needs a little brushing in the morning. A pixie cut also helps your face stand out and gives a fresh, youthful look. Another great option is a layered bob. This haircut falls around the chin or just above the shoulders. The layers add movement and more volume and make the hair look more fuller. It is perfect for women with fine or thin hair because it creates natural volume without much effort. If you like keeping your hair a little younger, try a shoulder length layered cut. Soft layers make the hair look light and healthy. You can wear it straight, wavy or tied back in the simple ponytail. It is a flexible style for everyday life. A textured short crop is another easy hairstyle. The soft texture gives the hair a modern look and you only need a small amount of styling cream to shape it. This haircut is perfect if you want a simple routine. For women with natural waves, a layered wavy bob is a wonderful choice. The layers help control the waves while keeping the hairstyle soft and elegant. You can let your hair air dry and still enjoy a beautiful look. If you have grey or silver hair, choose a haircut that adds shape and movement. Layers make grey hair look brighter and healthier. A stylish hair can make your natural hair color shine with confidence. To keep any haircut looking its best, trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks. Use a gentle shampoo and a moisturizing conditioner to keep your hair soft and healthy. Avoid using too much heat and let your hair dry naturally whenever possible. Remember, the best haircut is that one fits your lifestyle. You don't have to follow every trend. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.